Long at last, here's the 2008 4-ton American Standard Legion 13 air conditioner running on a 93-degree evening. It's hot. It's got an Alliant scroll compressor. It's doing an awesome job. It's keeping the house at 75 and cycling. And they just turned it on this morning. So it's doing great. It's an awesome air conditioner. Solid. It's cool. It's great. Oh, dog shit. And there's the maker of it. Yeah, that's really disgusting. I'm gonna move that out of here. Away from me. Okay. Wow. I'm gonna wash my hands. The liquid line is a little warmer than outdoor temperature, and the suction line is very cold. In my opinion, R410A units like this cool better. They do run at a higher pressure, but they subcooling's better. This also has a TXV, so that's why it's doing so good as well. And that's where the 100,000 BTU furnace is down in the basement. So yeah, 13 SEER 4-ton 2008 American Standard running on a hot day. It's pretty quiet. It's fairly quiet. About the same noise level as my Carrier is. No, maybe a little quieter. Yeah, it's a very good unit for just being a basic model. And then I hear some dogs back there fighting with my friend's dog. That's great. Yeah, okay, my friend's taking care of that. There we go. That's pretty much that. So, we'll go get a video of the furnace. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.